Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. And what better way to celebrate love than by transforming your space into a cozy and romantic haven? You don't need to spend a fortune to create a magical atmosphere. Today, I'm sharing some easy and affordable DIY Valentine's Day room decor ideas that will make your heart flutter and your home look absolutely stunning. So, grab your crafting supplies, put on some romantic tunes, and let's get started. 1. Heartfelt garland. A string of love garlands are a classic decoration for any celebration, and Valentine's Day is no exception. For this DIY project, you'll need some cardstock in your favorite Valentine's Day colors: red, pink, white, or even gold, a pair of scissors, a pencil, and some string or twine. First, draw heart shapes of different sizes on your cardstock. You can find printable heart templates online if you're not confident in your freehand drawing skills. Once you have your hearts drawn, carefully cut them out. This is a great opportunity to get creative. You can add glitter, paint, or even fabric scraps to your hearts to make them extra special. Once your hearts are ready, punch 2 small holes at the top of each heart. Then, simply thread your string or twine through the holes, 1 heart at a time, creating a beautiful garland. You can adjust the spacing between the hearts to your liking. Hang your garland across your mantelpiece, along a wall, or even drape it over your bed frame for a touch of romance. 2. Romantic candle jars. Light up the love candles are essential for creating a romantic ambiance. Instead of buying expensive scented candles, try making your own personalized candle jars. You'll need some clean glass jars. Mason jars or even old jam jars work perfectly. Some tea lights or small candles, and some decorative materials like lace, ribbons, twine, or even dried flowers. Start by cleaning your jars thoroughly. Then, get creative with your decorations. Wrap lace or ribbon around the jars and secure it with glue. Tie twine around the neck of the jar for a rustic touch. You can even glue dried flowers or small embellishments to the outside of the jars. Once your jars are decorated, simply place a tea light or small candle inside each jar. Light the candles and watch as the warm glow creates a magical atmosphere in your room. These candle jars make a beautiful centerpiece for your dining table or a romantic addition to your bedside table. 3. Love-themed pillow covers. Cuddle up with romance. Pillows are a great way to add a touch of personality and comfort to your space. For Valentine's Day, you can easily create custom pillow covers with love-themed designs. You'll need some plain pillow covers. You can find affordable ones at most craft stores. Fabric paint, stencils, optional, and some paintbrushes. If you're using stencils, place them on your pillow covers and carefully paint over them with fabric paint. If you're feeling artistic, you can freehand your designs. Think hearts, love quotes, or even your initials intertwined. Let the paint dry completely before using your pillow covers. These custom pillow covers will add a cozy and romantic touch to your bed or sofa. 4. Heart-shaped wall art. Wear your heart on your wall. Creating heart-shaped wall art is a fun and easy way to add a touch of Valentine's Day cheer to your walls. You'll need a canvas or a piece of sturdy cardboard, some paint, brushes, and masking tape. First, use masking tape to create a large heart shape on your canvas or cardboard. Then, paint the inside of the heart with your chosen colors. You can use different shades of red and pink for a gradient effect, or get creative with other colors that complement your room decor. Once the paint is dry, carefully remove the masking tape to reveal your perfect heart shape. You can add additional details, like love quotes or glitter, to make your wall art even more special. 5. Rose petal pathway. A romantic stroll. Nothing says romance like a trail of rose petals. Create a romantic pathway leading to your bedroom or dining area by scattering fresh or dried rose petals on the floor. You can even create a heart shape with the petals for an extra touch of romance. This simple gesture will make your Valentine's Day celebration truly unforgettable. 6. DIY photo booth. Backdrop. Capture the love. Create a fun and festive photo booth backdrop for capturing memories with your loved ones. You can use a large piece of fabric or even a plain wall as your backdrop. Decorate it with Valentine's Day themed props like heart-shaped balloons, streamers, and love quotes. You can even create your own props using cardstock and craft sticks. Set up a camera or use your phone to take fun and memorable photos. 7. Romantic table setting. Dine in style. Transform your dining table into a romantic haven with a few simple touches. Use a red or pink tablecloth and set the table with your best dinnerware. Add candles, flowers, and heart-shaped confetti to create a festive atmosphere. You can even create personalized place cards for your guests. A beautifully set table will make your Valentine's Day dinner even more special. 8. Sweet treats display. A taste of love. No Valentine's Day celebration is complete without some sweet treats. Create a beautiful display of your favorite Valentine's Day candies, chocolates, and cookies. Use decorative jars, plates, and cake stands to create an eye-catching arrangement. You can even add some personalized touches, like small love notes or heart-shaped toppers. 9. Love-inspired lighting. Set the mood. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a romantic ambiance. Dim the lights and use candles, fairy lights, or string lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. You can even wrap fairy lights around your bed frame or drape them over your curtains for a magical touch. 10. Personalized love notes. Words from the heart. Express your love and appreciation for your loved ones with personalized love notes. Write heartfelt messages on small pieces of paper and place them in decorative jars or scatter them around your room. You can even attach them to gifts or tie them to balloons. These small gestures will make your loved ones feel truly special. These DIY Valentine's Day room decor ideas are easy, affordable, and fun to create. With a little creativity and some simple supplies, you can transform your space into a romantic haven and make this Valentine's Day truly unforgettable. Remember, the most important thing is to celebrate love and create memories that will last a lifetime. Happy Valentine's Day! Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.